Alrighty, what's going on, Appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here, the mobile app mogul, and we're going to address some comments from users, and let's go ahead and get started. I haven't been answering the comments like I usually do because I'm kind of busy, but we're going to go ahead and get started with answering them. We're going to start at I guess it started April 23rd. And I do apologize for slacking on my job, y'all. But anyway, this is from the Lamkus creator. A quick question: after my app has been approved on Facebook, how can I republish it with the SDK integrated? My ads are not live, just stuck at the last part. Hope you see this. I see it. I do believe I replied to this one though. But you don't need to do any SDK kind of things because that's incorporated in the Andromo builder already. All you need to do is just follow the video. I made two videos. One is if you have a Facebook ads account already, and one is if you don't. Okay. So if you can go back and look at those, I'll show you the exact process of what I use and how you get your Facebook ad placement ID. Okay, I go through the exact process. So I would say if you go through that and you look at it, and the last part you're talking about, if that doesn't solve it, hit me back. Okay. Yeah. But one, and I do show also the Facebook ads showing on my app that I just created with the Facebook ads in it. So yeah. So if you don't see any Facebook ads, just go double check it. There's times I had to do that a few times, but the ads will show. And of course, disable all your other ads so you only see the Facebook ads showing. Okay. So disable ad mob for now, disable AppLovin and so forth, disable all the other ad networks so when the ad shows you'll know that it's Facebook. And click the little arrow that's at the bottom. Don't click on the ad, but click the little arrow that's at the bottom, like say for example a banner ad. Just click the little arrow and it'll show you where the ad is coming from. And I show that in a few of my other training videos. Okay, let's go to the next one. That was April 22nd, right? Hope I don't get confused here. Let's see, what was I at? Yeah, right there. Okay, let's go to April 24th. This is on Mobimatic. Bought this a couple nights ago, thanks for the coupon code. Okay, it isn't too bad. I haven't had a couple hours to mess with, but I wish mine was as fast. Yeah, that's true. It is kind of slow there. But it gets the job done, trust me. So you can do things offline and then just compile online or something. Okay? Alrighty. Yep, but Mobimatic, I think that's the best app builder for the simple fact you can make all kind of apps. And I do have some Mobimatic training videos on my channel, so check those out. Alright, let's go to the next one. April 25th. No, that's LinkedIn. Let's see. How to make money, the AndromoAppCourse course. Okay, let's take a look at that. I did why you explained in the video, but I can't see ads when I install the app on my phone. Can you help me? Okay, I'll have to address that. Matter of fact, let's open all these up as I address them. I'll get to that shortly. But he says he can't see the ads when I install the app on my phone. Okay, sorry about the late reply there. Let's take a look real quick. I would say, oh no, don't want to see that. I would say double check your ads, double check your setup. This is ad monetization. That is pretty much explanatory. Let's see. Yeah, I would say just double check it. Make sure everything is shown. Make sure you set it up right. And if you need to, set it up again. You know, set up the ads again. Just set the whole thing up. You know, set it up again. Okay. All right, let's go move on to the next one. April 25th. Okay. April 26th. Let's see what we got. Loved it. Thank you very much. Fortly. Okay. Appreciate you. Hope you can continue to get value from the course. Okay. And let's go to the next one. Hello, sir. May I know how many apps can I upload with Andromo to the Play Store for free? As many as you wish. Unlimited. Okay. We'll put that up too. Yeah, as many as you want. Thousands. Okay. Okay, thank you for that comment, Mr. 𝐂𝐻𝐿. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Andromo review tips. Okay, life is school. How you doing there? Thank you so much for Mogul for the feedback. Hope you all the best. Cheers. Thank you too. Life is school, because life is school. You want to check out he's got apps. He's got 6 apps already, probably 7 at the time of this video. Today is May 5th, but he's probably got a few more. But he's putting in the work. Matter of fact, let's check out some of his. Let's check out a few of his apps. If he has them on his channel, I'm not sure. Now my screen capture is acting up. Let's see. Okay, I tell you what, we'll get to it a little later. But life is school. Oops. Okay, but yeah, check out his YouTube channel, or their YouTube channel also. Okay, life is school. All right, go on to the next one. Okay. Thanks so much for the feedback. Okay, I just seen that one, right? All right, let's go to April 26th. Okay. I think I may have missed one, life in school. But I'll get back to it. Okay. I have to translate that. Let me go to Google Translate. I don't know what that means actually. Oh, I do. You know what? I did translate it because I think I replied back. But sometimes I don't know. Let's see, Google Translate. No, how about I just do this? Let's see what that means. Okay, computer's running real slow. Well, but anyway, I did address it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, new comment on the ebook, part 2. Okay, loved it. Thank you, extra Fortney. Thank you very much. Try to be as thorough as possible. The videos may be a little long, but as I always say, they're going to be strong. All right, appreciate you. Let's go to the next one. Superb content. You make this video really well. Thank you very much. Miss Maggie. Okay. All right. Go to the next one. I need to fix the title in those videos too. This is part 5. Extra call, love it. Okay, appreciate you again. All right. Moving on to breaking news. Okay, or how can I display the news headlines within the app and not on the website of the news channels? Thank you very much for your efforts put into this channel. I'm going to respond to that separately, but yeah, I'll take a look at that and let you know how to do that if it's doable. Okay, alrighty, let's move on to the next one. Allergic to being average. Can't wait to check out some of the other videos. Good luck with growing your channel. Thank you very much. Have you seen 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐿? I'm not sure what that is. Okay. It's a handy tool to help you grow your YouTube following. Okay. But just put the link in there. I think YouTube lets you do that because I do it. But I'll check it out. In fact, okay, we'll check that out a little later. 𝐂𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐿.com. Okay, I'll check it out. Appreciate your comment, sir. Okay. Want to be friends? Call. Want to be friends? Okay. All right. Let's see, the last one. Thanks for this. You're the best. Appreciate your teacher, Abby. Appreciate you very much. Hope you continue to get value. And y'all keep your comments coming. Okay? We're 11 minutes in. Remember, the one thing is just build apps. And I'm going to leave y'all with this. You know, my first app that I put up, it made like 42 cents. Okay? 42 cents. Now, how do you think I took that? What was my attitude to that? You think I said, oh, wait, 42 cents? This ain't working. No. Of course, I said exactly the opposite. And I tell you that in my videos before. I said, this working. That's the first thing I said. I said, it's working. So, how are you going to take it? How are you going to take that? I'm talking to you. Man, this ain't working. 42 cents? 5 cents? No, it's working. Or are you going to say, is it working? Yeah, it's working. Are you going to question it? No, just put in the work. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Millionaires are made every day. Now, you may not see it, you know, but success is coming. So keep building apps. Keep building them. Okay, so Chris Wilson signing off. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you in the next training video.